I'll show you where it starts to hurt a little bit. Right here hurts a little bit because it's pulling, but it's not bad. Once you get past that part, a regular recliner would suck. See, that was the only pain. I have a little pulling, but it's not bad at all. It could be because I'm on the pain medicine. And normally this is in front of me. Make sure you have it in a locked position if you're using a walker, which is a really good idea. Alright. Use 2 hands. Always stay bending. And there we go. Okay, you can stop it now.